Hello, in today's video, I will show you how to install our P-trap kit. A ruler, sealant tape and tubing cutter are recommended. First, remove J-band from the P-trap. Next, remove the lock nut and washer from J-band and insert them onto the tailpipe. After that, attach the J-band onto the tailpipe and slightly tighten it. Measure the distance from the waste connector to the J-band. Match the length on the horizontal pipe and mark the location that need to cut at. Use the tubing cutter to chop off extra pipe. And then connect it to the waste connector and J-band. Don't forget to tighten the lock nut. Apply sealant tape on both threads on pipes in clockwise orientation. And screw them onto stop valves. After that, connect water supply lines to handle valves. And then connect stop valves to the wall. Finally, attach supply tubes to stop valves and tighten lock nuts. That's it. Water creation, crafted for you.